to Mexico City. Today is Sunday. We arrived here late last night. We're here for two reasons, guys. Number one is Mexico City is the food capital of Mexico. So we're super excited, and today we're gonna show you guys around what we eat in a day, Mexico City.
And the second reason is that we plan on spending all day on Monday going to different Mercedes dealerships and just getting a second opinion. Hopefully, maybe somebody has an engine lying around.
But he just needs a little engine.
I just need an engine.
To get Trinity back on the roads.
I miss Trin so much.
Guys, I'm not sure how much Becca's going to be involved in today's video. She's not feeling great. Not sure how much she's going to eat. She was up all night sick, so send her positive energy, positive vibes.
Yeah, they tried to give me like an actual menu, which looked pretty decent, but I confirmed that that's not free, so no. Alright bro, I'll talk to you in a bit.
I think our boy Christian has the case of the runs.
Like me? Poor guy.
Poor guy.
Was he up all night?
No, he says it's just starting to bubble within him.
Thank you.
Okay. Definitely butter. Definitely butter. Coffee's good. Fruit. Way too much papaya. Next time, sin papaya.
I'm sorry, I'm not very much fun this morning. I'm really not feeling so hot, and I think I'm a big baby when I'm sick. So, I think, yeah. I don't know, I'm just so achy, it's so uncomfortable. Anyways, I know I'm super dehydrated because of the night I had, so I'm gonna try to get some OJ in my system. Oh, that's actually the first thing that tastes good.
This is kind of a nicely placed shot. It looks pretty artsy.
Yeah, so this is what Bex had to eat today. Come on, buddy, show them. A little bit of aggressive.
Adios, amigo. Boom.
Nice. My sickness is cleared. Nice. You shut that off?
Shut it off?
Did you shut it off?
No, I didn't. I was ready to rip.
Look at my mic.
I love the blocking of the shot. You guys are great.
This is still gonna be a what I eat in a day, but Beck's gonna rest and I'm gonna eat. So I'm just gonna finish up some work and then I'm gonna hit the streets. Christian and Aubrey are on their own little date night. I don't know, maybe we'll meet up with them downtown.
Better.
We shall see.
And the little adding here, the truth is, Eamon is not a big fan of like things that aren't like changing every single minute, right?
Yeah.
So you get this guy in a museum and like he like starts sweating and gets agitated and like I'm just afraid to even go there.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a little nerd date. It's not a date to get away, it's a date to get nerdy.
Nerdy.
With history and art.
Yes.
And Eamon's gonna go like hunt down some slamming street tacos.
Guys, it's been a few hours later. I still haven't left the hotel room. I am leaving now. I'm gonna go explore the city. Becca's still not feeling 100, so she's gonna stay here and hopefully get better. That's all we can ask for. Anyway, let's go.
Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Birds flying high. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn.
I just walked up to Por Siempre. It's a vegan taco stand. They have two locations in Mexico City. So this one's actually more of a restaurant style, and they also have a taco food truck. Everything's vegan. It looks insane. We actually went here last night, so I got tacos last night, so I'm also trying this sandwich with like cheese and 3 different types of meat. I think like seitan's one of them. It looks delicious. Check it out. This is the shop, pretty small, little setup. There's peeps everywhere. I'm pretty sure that's my sandwich. This guy's basically running the show. Screwed up my order. So I told them I did want a sandwich, but now they've kind of made me a half sandwich, so it's kind of what I wanted. So, but it's not the exact thing that's on the menu, but it looks amazing. Chorizo, onion, avocado. And then you can take your sandwich and add hot sauce and salsa, whatever you want. That's unreal. Wow. This place is crazy busy. I asked for agua and they gave me this green concoction. So you can just fill that up as much as you want. This entire meal was like 70 pesos, guys. Which is like no more than $4. Amazing. Wow. The meal was so good. I think if you could replicate that exact concept in Toronto, you'd kill it. You just kill it. It's so simple too. It's like 5 options. Anyway, the mission now is I'm going back towards the hotel. I'm actually thinking I'm going to stop and get back like a juice, or maybe find a pharmacy, speak to someone, see if we can get her up and get her moving.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm really not doing so well. Eamon was so kind to get me a yummy kombucha to see if it'll make me feel better. So I'm gonna be sipping on this. What's the flavor? Ginger.
We're not really talking about the car. It's been kind of very frustrating over the past few days to try and figure out what's actually happening. But as far as we know, we are looking for a new engine. So that's kind of our mission. We're in Mexico City to spend all day tomorrow, which is Monday, going around to Mercedes dealerships trying to figure out if someone can give us a second opinion, as well as we figured it was worthwhile to have Garcia, a connection through my mechanic, who is actually only a few hours away from where the van is. We're gonna pay him about 50 bucks to come down, have a look at the van, and just triple confirm that we are gringoed and that we do in fact need a new engine. So we're exploring all options. We don't want to rush anything, obviously. And yeah, so we're gonna go transfer some random dude named Garcia 1,000 pesos.
Transaction transfer?
Una transacción.
Money transfer?
¿A qué? ¿A una tarjeta de crédito?
Gennaro Pafolox Garcia.
Pero esta es de Canadá.
Sí.
Necesitas una de México.
No tengo.
No se puede porque te piden identidad. Es más fácil.
Okay, gracias.
I'm not sure if you guys understood that, but basically I can't transfer unless I have a Mexican ID. And I don't, obviously, so. Perfect, that's fine. And then I can pay you back. Thanks, bro, appreciate it. Talk to you later. Bye. Sergio, you're a lifesaver, bro. Becca's still, I don't know what that means, but she's not feeling well. And I went to a natural store and bought some of this, which I don't really understand what it is, and some of this, which I also don't really understand what it is.
Oh, great.
But the lady at the store made it very clear with her translator that this is the stuff. Post Malone over there feels great. And I'm gonna mix her up a concoction. Do you think I should do it in the...
Does she have OJ left?
She doesn't have OJ, but she's got kombucha.
I hit the booch for sure.
Yeah?
Hit the booch.
I just feel like I keep getting worse. Can't stay awake. Whole body rolling and I can't get comfortable. I'm super hot and super cold.
Try this, buddy. You gotta drink the whole thing.
Yeah, don't even think about it, Beck. Just go.
Come on, up. No. You gotta go.
Maybe I can't.
Almost there, buddy. One more sip.
Hey man, I feel like you should drink some of this stuff just to like
Sympathize?
see this. That's
No, there's still a little bit in there.
No, that was nice.
We told Beck
Alright.
she couldn't.
Adios, amigos.
Okay, you guys can leave now.
Love you guys.
Love you guys. Be
Bye
good.
bye. Let us know about dinner.
Yeah, you text
Give
me.
me
I'll
a
like, go
call
sleep.
on my cell phone. See, Christian's feeling great now.
Not feeling like going out tonight, so hitting up Uber. They got Uber in Mexico City. And I'm gonna order us a falafel dinner, which Becca's not that stoked on, but that's kind of our only option. She wants a soup really badly, but tried to call a few vegan places and they just don't exist.
I didn't hear you call them.
Yeah, I called them, buddy.
Did you just lie?
No, I looked up them on the internet. I did look them up.
How is your wife?
Maybe better after dinner. Muchas gracias, amigo. Oh, sí. Gracias. Uno más, huh? Okay, gracias. Ruben, you're gonna come up with me? Yeah, I can do it. I'm gonna put away the camera.
Okay.
Okay, say goodbye, Ruben.
With beer or?
You ordered beer?
No.
It's so weird.
I don't know what that is. I think it's just a drink. I think that's how they do it in Mexico. They never give you agua, they give you like a concoction that they make in-house.
Right.
Beck's not enjoying my dinner in bed. I finished my falafel. And they gave me a salad, but there's no forks. Tomorrow's a big day for us. Keep your fingers crossed. Send us positive vibes. Finding an engine tomorrow. If we're not finding an engine, then we're gonna be getting some answers for sure. And we'll be rolling out of here by the end of the week. Alright, see ya.
Say that I love you guys, and I'm sorry that I've been such a brat today. But I know tomorrow's gonna be better. And also, I love you, buddy. You're really nice to me today.
I love you, buddy. I wish you would eat something.
I can't eat that. That's not good.
What do you feel like?
Soup.
No possible para mí.